Transform your manufacturing and maximize your design data with the powerful automated tools of Solid Edge's fully integrated CAD/CAM solutions. Starting with some 5-axis machining, we'll focus on this part. Since it has features on all sides, a 5-axis approach will allow it to be machined in a single setup. The fixture has also been designed completely in Solid Edge. This is using a window frame technique where the stock body also serves as the holding device. A single button click sends the whole fixture and part to Solid Edge CAM Pro. Opening an existing setup reveals some CNC programming work that has already been done. Solid Edge CAM Pro now supports the adaptive roughing cut pattern for 5-axis roughing. This means very efficient machining and expert control on the stress of the cutting tool, which extends tool life as a result. Here, we'll also look at the machining simulation. This is another great innovation in Solid Edge CAM Pro, the ability to perform G-code-based simulation. Here, the machine motion on the virtual machine is being driven by the actual G-code file. We can visualize all the axes tracking while the G-code file is being run, a true example of leveraging the digital twin. Another great enhancement in CAM Pro is the addition of Smart Machining Kit Simulation within the PostHub portal. There are packages covering 3, 4, and 5-axis G-code simulation. Each package provides access to all the machines in that group. Also, PostHub can now be a repository for things other than post-processors. For example, best practice documents, technical libraries, and much more. Another new capability is the ability to perform rotary roughing on 4-axis machines. Not only is the operation easy to use, but as the machining simulation shows, it does a great job with this spiral groove or any other 4-axis feature. Solid Edge CAM Pro also introduces a brand new wire EDM capability. This makes programming these operations a breeze. Transform your manufacturing and maximize your design data with the powerful automated tools of Solid Edge's fully integrated CAD/CAM solutions.